Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make pop-up caption on CapCut. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to open up a project I have just created in CapCut. Okay, this is my project and I'm going to open it. Okay, before I add caption to this video, I'm going to show you the original video. Okay, I'm going to add caption to this video automatically using auto caption feature in CapCut. To get the auto caption feature, we can go to the text menu. Then we can select auto caption, and we have one use per month. And after that, you need to subscribe to CapCut to use this feature. Unfortunately, guys, this feature is no longer available for free. We need to subscribe to get this feature. Okay, and then here we can choose either we want to generate from video or audio or voiceover, and I'm going to generate it from my video. And we can choose the spoken language. You can choose auto detect, or you can immediately choose the language. And for me, I'm just going to choose English because the video is in English. All right, and then you can choose the template here. As you can see that we have a lot of templates, but most of them are not free, unfortunately. Okay, actually you can choose this one if you have subscribed to CapCut, so the word can appear one by one like this, and you can also choose this one. Okay, there are a lot of templates, I mean cool templates, but unfortunately we need to subscribe. Okay, and let me use the free one. I'm just going to choose this one, guys, and then after we select template, we can go back and then we can click on generate. Okay, and the auto caption now is being generated, and we need to wait until 100%. Okay, now the captions generated, and I'm going to play it to show you. Hi everyone, I'm on the way to the office. Okay, happily. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make pop-up caption on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.